Evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Turn on your cameras. Sorry, actually, I was late.
No problem. That means we started now only, no, sir. Means class will end at 6:26.
Okay, only 12 members have joined. Why?
I guess. I don't know. Sir,
Actually, Kavya, I got a message from your mom that I think one test paper has been sent over there. So, if possible, we'll discuss it, not an issue. But the thing is, it was a question paper on what?
So chapter 1 and 2.
Okay. So, I didn't see the question paper actually. I was a little busy.
Yes,
And
sir.
we'll see actually if you have any doubts, we'll clarify your doubts in extra class. If possible, we can discuss it now itself. But we are in the chapter called lines and angles. So shall we do with that, or what do you want me to do? And we were left with couple of questions in last class. Last class we have gone through couple of tests, couple of test questions, isn't it? Turn on your
Yes.
camera, everyone. How are you all?
Answer.
Fine. Only Kavya is fine. What about others?
sir, all will be.
Did everyone call Sreyan and say that we are fine? Everyone's answer you only giving.
Sir,
Did you all
Fine, sir.
call? Did you all call Sreyan and said that we are fine, Sreyan? You just inform sir. We won't talk in class. Sreyan only will talk, and sir only will talk instead of all others. Okay. Bhargav Akela. Yes. Guys, turn on your cameras, everyone. Chalo, tell me what shall we do? Shall we go for the question paper or shall we go with the lines and angles lesson?
Good evening, sir.
Question paper will complete and we'll go to line.
We'll
Can we complete question paper and go to lines and
Okay, then let it be.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, exercises we should do or still more topics to cover?
So guys, we'll do one thing today. Today, as I told you, earlier, so we'll have a quiz on, lines and angle possible. Now, let us discuss with this, question paper. One second, sir, you need not explain me the complete paper.
Sir, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, which test we will be having?
Wait 1 second, Mohit. Sir, you need not explain. You did not explain me the complete paper. You just tell me I could lose my mark. Yes, yes, Kavya, definitely. Definitely, the mistake whichever you made, we'll discuss those questions.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Definitely. Chalo, let me show the question paper here.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the last class you told to solve in a different way, sir. I have done, but I did not get any answer.
What
This is
was it? What was it? I know. You are hurrying only. I know that. What was it?
fifth question, sir.
I mean, what was it? Can you please read out?
3 root 2 into 4 root 2 into
You mean
12.
rationalization? You mean rationalization?
No, sir.
Let us see.
Product.
Let's see 1 second. Which one? Fifth one. This one? Yes, then the if you're not getting that, then the method whichever we have gone through, actual method, that is the only true method. That is the only
Yes, sir.
correct. Clear? Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
yes.
Thank you.
Welcome. So till 12th question we have gone through. 13th one, in between any two rational numbers, there are, one second, guys, let me show you the screen once again. In between any two rational numbers, there are infinitely many rational numbers, isn't it? C option is correct. 13th one. I don't think so. You guys have doubts here. So guys, look at this here. 12th one. The rational numbers between 3 and 4 is what? Rational numbers between 3 and 4 is what? 3 and 4. So we have to verify from the options. So whichever is getting more than, whichever the quotient is more than 3, then that is going to be my option. That's going to be my correct option. Clear?
Option B.
Option B is correct. 13th one, in between any two rational numbers, there are infinitely rational numbers, infinite number of rational numbers. Option C is correct. 13th one. So let us not waste much time on simple questions. Let us go fast. Okay. I would request you all turn on your cameras, everyone. Next, every rational number is what? Every rational number is a whole number.
Is a real number.
The natural number, integer, everything is a real number.
Is a real number.
Yes, all these numbers are subsets of rational, real numbers. So real number is correct. So everyone turn on your cameras. Rishikesh, hi.
Hi sir.
थोड़ा तो हंस लीजिए भाई.
Sir, no sir.
So which
Half
test is this?
This is the last test.
Saturdays.
Yeah, we couldn't discuss the question
Okay.
properly, right? So root 9 is what? Root 9 is what? Is it a irrational number?
Rational number.
Is a rational number, sir.
Yes, of course, the rational. So we can write it as a 3, right? So 3 is a rational number. Next, which of the following is an irrational number? Tell me. Root 23, root 225, 0.
23.
So root 23.
So root 23 cannot be written in the form of p by q. So of course it is answer. So if the decimal representation of a number is non-terminating, the non-repeating, then the number is what?
So an irrational number.
Irrational number.
Irrational number. Look at this. The decimal representation of a number is non-terminating. Non-terminating means what? It is not ending. Basically, non-terminating means non-ending and non-repeating. It's not ending. It's keep going but not repeating. It's an irrational number. All right. If it is terminating, and if it is terminating, then what would have been? What it would have been? Shreyan. Shreyanji. Shreyan. He removed his headphone and talking to someone. He removed his headphone and talking to someone. Shreyan.
No, sir.
I have seen you, man. Why? So irrational number, guys. So what is the answer? If it is a terminating. Look at this. Now I would write. Let me show you here one thing. Look at this. I'll write this one. Five by two. 5 by 2 is a rational or irrational number? Tell me. It's a rational number. Look at this. Rational number and which? Terminating or non-terminating? Rational number, whether it is a
Which can be written in P by Q form.
yes, so rational number. And what I'm asking is whether it is a terminating decimal or not. Whether it has terminating decimal or not. Terminating means it should stop there. Look at this. Can I write this one as? Can I write this one as?
Yes, sir. It is terminating.
2.25. 2.25. Look at this. 2 ones, 2 twos, 5, 2 remainder. 1 remainder. 2 twos, 4. 1 remainder. Then we can write this one as 2.5, not 2.25. 2 twos, 4. So 2.5. It is terminating. 2.5, isn't it? So now if I write something like that, call it 10 by 3. 10 by 3 is what? It is a terminating.
The 3 point something.
Tell me whether it is, yes, 3.3.
0.
3 keep goes. So can I write this as 3.33 bar or 3.3 bar? Can I write 3.3 bar means after decimal it is a repeating. So it is a what? Repeating and non-terminating. All right. If I have something like 3.212, 3.213, again 212. Look at this here. Tell me here. It is non-terminating and non-repeating, isn't it? It is a
Non-
non-terminating and non-repeating. It is non-terminating is keep going and not repeating. Look at this repeating here. Non-terminating and repeating. Look at this 21213, again 213, again 213. It is repeating. It is non-terminating and repeating. Look at this. It is also non-terminating and repeating. Look at this. If I write something like 2.312 313 314 315. Tell me whether it is a terminating or non-terminating. It is
No,
non-terminating.
sir.
Ah,
Non-terminating, irrational.
sorry.
Non-terminating, non-recurring.
Non-terminating,
It is not term. It is not. It is keep going. It is non-terminating and non-repeating, of course. So that is the difference between. Look at this here. So basically, what is asking here? If the decimal representation of a number is non-terminating and non-repeating, of course it would be an irrational number. That is what the answer. And look at this here, 18th one. Which of the following is an irrational number? Which of the following is irrational number? Tell me. Which of the following is irrational?
0.401
Of course, look at this. It is non-terminating and non-repeating. Clear? 401, 4001, 4001, and 4501, 4601. It is coming like that. Which means what? Non-terminating as well as it is non-repeating, which is an irrational number, of course. Clear? Chalo. Next. And non-terminating, basically non-repeating, non-recurring. Non-recurring means what? Non-terminating, non-recurring. Non-recurring means what?
Meaning non-repeating.
Not repeating. Yes. Very good. So look at this 2 root 3 plus root 3. How much? 3 times of root 3. Very simple.
Very true.
How simple it is. Look at this 20th one. Root 10 into root 15. How much? Root 10 into root 15. Look at this here. Let me write here. Let us see. Root 10 into root 15. I said that this can be written as 10. 10 can be written as root 5 into 2. 15 can be written as root 5 into 3. So now can I write root 5 common? Can I write root 2 into root 3? This can be written as root 5 into root 6. Isn't it? Yes or no? What is, let us see the options. Root
So
5.
it should be,
One second. So no. It should be yes. Look at this here. Now I can write like this: root 5 into root 2 into root 5 into root 3. Root 5 into 5, so 5 root 6. It would be the answer. Option is available like that. Option is demanding like that. So the answer is 5 root 6. Option B is correct here. Look at this. Yes or no? Any doubt? Yes or no? Any doubt? Any doubt,
no
children?
doubt, sir.
Very simple. Now my question is, now what shall we do? Shall we go with the quiz first of all, or else shall we go with what? Shall we have a small quiz?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, quiz.
Just a minute. Let me log in inside. Just a minute. Over a second.
So
Okay, sir. Wait.
1 second. Over 1 second. Online. Please stay tuned. 1 second. Just a minute. अरे Ah. So quiz means let us, do you want me to,
Sir, link.
huh?
Link.
Sir, are
Link.
you playing the quiz through quizzes.com?
Sorry.
Sir, are you going to ask us normally and we are going to answer privately?
So would it be? I think that would be fine. So if I share the link, you'll be, opening
Yes,
some,
that would be
people may
fine.
not be access over there.
Yes, sir.
All right. So one second. Array, one day, whatever. Ah, 1 second, guys. So only 5 questions, huh? No cheating. Only 5 questions. So we have to go with that.
How can you cheat?
Sorry.
Nothing, sir.
How can? You said something?
How can we cheat?
Yeah, but cheat in the sense you might ask for more questions. So every day we'll have every day we'll have if possible. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Possible almost every day maximum we'll have. Okay, every day 5 questions.
Okay, sir.
Let's see. Okay. Chalo.
Where we will join, sir.
Just a minute. 1 second.
Sir, 15 minutes, by 15 minutes, 15 seconds, we should give questions, no, sir. You'll give no, sir. That's how we can cheat.
Yes. Let me share the screen. Yes. I'm ready with my questions. Yes. Look at this question. Give me the, keep your
Sir,
answer
did you
privately.
give the link?
Sir,
I
what?
did, see,
We
I
will
did.
do like this.
Hello, wait. I didn't give the link. So let us see this, let us see the, let us conduct a quiz like this. So if it is happening
No, sir.
properly, if it is, going in a well manner, so let it be like this. Let us consider, let us continue like this. If not, I'll, share the link to you all. So you have to, arey yaar. Children, sorry, I lost the power again. So there is a power cut. It's a big issue.
So I should message you the answer, right?
Sir, could you please share the screen?
Yeah, definitely. See, guys, what I'm saying is, please, 1 second. What I'm saying is, let us conduct a quiz like this. If if it is going in a well manner, then let us continue like this. If not, let me share this link. We'll try all possible ways. Let us try let us try all possible ways. If it is working out well, then we'll stick to one method and let us go with that.
The first one also messaged.
The first one.
Yeah, everyone, you just know you cannot see your individual answers, right? Yes or no?
Sir, if we are
So,
messaging.
in private message.
Sir, if you're keeping privately, it will not. It will only come to you.
Yeah. See, what I'm saying
Sir,
is,
can you please scroll down?
1 second, guys. Look at this here, everyone. Don't keep your answers. Just give option whether A, B, C, or D. So don't write your answers 72, 88. Don't write like that. So it would be easy for us. See, guys, you do one thing. See, solve all questions together and write. Don't post individually. Solve all questions, all 5 questions together. Let me show you all 5 questions together. 1 second. All 5 questions together. Then post the answer. That would be easy for me as well as for you too as well.
Sir, it went.
Where it?
अरे बाबा
Eva, please don't shout.
क्या हुआ बाबा? Who is calling that as a baba?
Sir, now it came. It was disappear, sir.
It was disappear. So 1 second. Ananya has sent the answer. My goodness. Very good, Ananya. Very good. But
Are they right?
I think you have few incorrect questions, incorrect answers.
Hold on.
Sorry?
You can scroll it down.
Yeah, sure. बाप रे. See, no one should reveal your answers. No one should talk. I have given you 5 minutes of time. Last 2 minutes of time to finish your test.
so did you get my answer?
No, I didn't check. I will check everyone's answer at a time. And let us discuss the questions as well.
So I didn't understand complement topic.
You do whatever you understand. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone who didn't finish still?
Sir, 1 second.
Yeah, done. 1 second finished.
Done, sir.
Anyone?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So let us discuss one by one. Look at this. Very simple. Let me tell you the answers one by one. So you just correct yourself. You have to tell me the answer. You have to correct yourself. The angle which is
First
equal
one
to
is D.
1 second. The angles, let me talk. The angle which is equal to 8 times of its complements. We know that sum of two complement angles which is equal to 90 degrees. Sum of a supplementary angle means what? Sum of two angles supposed to be equal to 180 degrees. That's what we have gone through, isn't it? Complement means what?
Yes, sir.
Sum of two angles supposed to be equal to 90 degrees. So let us
Yes, sir.
the first angle is
X.
X. Second angle is what? 8 times of that first angle.
8x.
Second angle. So 8x plus 1x is equal to what? 90 degrees.
9.
So it gives me 9x is equal to 90 degrees. So x is equal to what?
10.
10 degrees. So the angle which is equal to 8 times. So x value is 10. 8 times
10,
is 80 degrees.
88.
So option D is correct.
Sir, I
Option
didn't
D.
understand this question.
What you did not understand, Sujay?
So why are you taking first angle and then second angle?
Sir, your voice is cracking.
Look at this, man. See, what is a complement angle? Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Complementary, I knew, sir.
So here we are using two angles. That complement means sum of two angles. No, sum of two angles.
Okay, sir. Okay,
See,
got it.
very good. So next, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio. Look at this, are in the ratio. Let us say this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C. So sum of all angles in a triangle is, I know that, 180 degrees. So let us say 5x,
180, sir.
3x plus 7x. These all are in the ratio of this one is equal to 180 degrees, right? So 8x, so 15x is equal to 180 degrees. So x is equal to what? 12 degrees, right? So the first angle is going to be what now? 60 degrees. 5 into 12.
So 60, sir.
Second one is what? 36.
36, sir.
36.
Third one is what?
84.
84, sir.
84 degrees. The first one is 12, 5, 60, no? Look at this, 60, 80, 36, 84. So all these are what? A right angle triangle is not possible. Obtuse angle is not possible. Isosceles triangle is not possible. Acute angle triangle. Why? Because all angles are less than 90 degrees. Clear? All angles are less than 90 degrees. So angles lies between what here? So 90 degrees. So this is my acute angle condition, isn't it? Isn't it, children? So that is the answer. Clear? Option D is correct. Option D is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very simple. So this, this might helpful for somewhere, but even though questions are easy, but few children didn't understand. But the standard questions are somewhat standard, right? Somewhat. So the complement of 90 minus 90. अरे यार बहुत सिंपल है, ये देखो ये कैसा होता है, अभी देखो सबसे complement of 90 degrees. So complement is what? Complement of 90 minus 90 minus A. What is the answer?
Sir, A.
So here one angle is 90 minus A. So other angle is what?
Yeah.
The first angle. Look at this. The first angle. Let me take first angle. First angle is A. Let. Second angle is what? E only given 90 degrees minus A. All right. So why you are taking this one? So if I add this one and this one, I'm getting 90. No. Yes or no? Understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So other angles would be what now? Angle is of course A. Is correct. So complement of.
So why did you take the first angle as A?
See, man, there is no compulsion that compulsory that you have to take first angle as A only, second angle as 90 minus A only. It is not like that. So here you take anything. Second angle is the first angle is 90 minus A. Second angle, let me take A as per your wish. So if I add these two guys, I get 90, right? So what angle if I add, so I'll be getting 90. That is a complement basically. See, complement means sum of two angles, let us say X and Y is equal to 90 degrees, right? All right.
Yes, sir.
So let us consider this as X. What's supposed to be Y so that I'll get 90? Let me right here. Let me keep here. The first angle is I took X, which is 90 minus A. Second angle is Y. I do not know. Let us consider this as A. All right. Or else I do not know anything. Let us consider we have to find Y. Second angle we have to find, right? So sum of two angles A, and I have to find Y here. Let us write Y, which is equal to 90 degrees. Yes or no? So 90 gone. So Y is equal to what? A degrees. Yes or no? So Y is equal to what? Y is unknown here. So I'm finding that one, which is A. Of course it is A. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Without?
No.
Simple.
No, sir.
Very simple. Next one. The number of line segments determined by 3 given non-collinear points. Non-collinear points means here, here, here. Let us say this is a non-collinear points. Of course, triangle is a non-collinear point. Example, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, how many line segments possible here? Very simple question.
Three lines, sir.
Of course, three. Of course, three. So, and the number of lines that can pass through a given point. A number of lines that can pass through a given point.
Infinite.
Infinite.
So infinite.
One line.
Infinite.
Dine. It can possible infinite. Look at this. What is the answer? Look at this now. See. So let me give you the options. Let me write the options. Final answer. D D A D C. D D A D C. D D A D C. Let us see how many of you got correct. D D A D C. No, don't. If you are giving now, I'm not gonna consider. Your time up. D D A D C. D D A D C. See, you post your own answer. So D D A D C. Ananya, first answer is wrong. D D A. Piyush, last two questions are wrong, I guess. I mean, D D A. Fourth question is wrong, I guess. Piyush.
Yes, I'll check it.
Yeah. Vedic, D D A D C. Vedika, correct. I'm not gonna check individual answers. Please post the answer. D D A D C. Kavya, everything is correct. Very good. So Kaji, D, wrong answer. Kaji, D first is correct, last is correct, remaining all wrong. Rishikesh, D, D, A, B, C. Rishikesh, first one is wrong, third one is wrong, first one is third one wrong. Rishikesh, D, D, A, D, C. Mohit, correct. Bhargav, yes, Bhargav, last is correct. What about first two? D, D,
First two.
yes, Aditya, correct. Wrong, D, A. Shreyan, wrong answer. Except last answer, everything is wrong, Shreyan. ఏం రా తంబి ఏం చేస్తున్నావు తప్పైంది శ్రేయన్
Sir, confused, sir.
ఎన్న కన్ఫ్యూజ్ వాట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్ నో ప్రాబ్లం
Sir, I did not understand.
Oh, sir, now I get, sir. First one is
I guess
DMA,
it would be better if you like sort of 10 seconds time limit for each question. Yes, PhD. That would be better actually. That would be better.
Sir, I have a small doubt, sir.
One second. Let me correct all
Okay,
this.
sir.
DDA, DC, Aditya, correct. Yes, Apish will make it like that. DDA, DC.
Okay, sir.
Please, before you internet when speaking, my voice is breaking. Please drop a message. Everyone, if you are everyone's participating, only I need. So my voice is not breaking, Toshnika. But is it breaking? Tayaba. Yeah. My voice is breaking. Okay.
No, sir, it's clear.
Sorry. No,
No, sir, it's clear.
DDA, DC. Harini, third one you did not attempt.
I
Yes.
did not get, sir.
Okay. Third one is what? Simple A. Understood. Third
Yes.
one understood. Clear.
Yes, sir, understood.
So this is what the basic test. So tomorrow onwards, Piyush, suggested that to pose the questions individually. Pose the questions individually so that what will happen is, everyone will understand. Everyone can, answer on within a 15 seconds of time. So let us check who is going to give the first answer. So that's how. See here, now I have given you 5 minutes of time. So which is a very huge, it seems, for this question. For tomorrow onwards, let us, decrease. Let us, short. Let us make a short of time and let us see. Let us have a competition like that. Clear? I hope you understood this one. Chalo. Next now, guys. Now let us go with our exercise problems of lines and angles. Clear? Lines and angles. Understood, children? Any doubts here? Any doubts in the quiz? Any doubts from the question?
Yes, sir. I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, so in the third question, is it the equation that 90 degrees minus A is equal to A?
90 degrees minus A is equal to A. It is not
Yes,
like
sir. Is that the equation?
No, that is not the equation. See, basically what I'm saying is complement. See, when the angle is going to be complementary, if sum of two angles are equal to 90 degrees, then the angles are going to be called as complementary. All right.
Yes.
So look at this here. Now I have one angle here, which is 90. What angle if I add so? What angle? See here, 90 degrees minus A degrees. For this angle, what angle if I add so? Let us say X. It will become 90. Right? So X is
Yes, sir.
So X value is what here? A only. All right.
Acha, okay, sir. Yeah, got it.
Yes,
Yes, sir, got it.
Who's that?
Sir, Mohit.
चलो दिस इज व्हाट बेटा. सो चलो हम लोग अभी जाते हैं एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चन पे. आ रहा है समझ? कोई डाउट?
Nice.
हम्म
Nice.
ठीक है. अभी देखो. And guys, one question here. How many of you have solved the questions? I just asked you to solve the questions, right? And guys, we forgot to solve one question from. One second. No. Yeah. One second, guys. I think we have we forgot to solve one question which was from question paper. That image was not given over there, isn't it?
Yes, sir, but okay, yeah.
Have you got it? I think Piyush has sent the answer to me.
No, sir.
Yeah, you have sent the some answer.
I sent it for that worksheet.
That was worksheet. You no, not you. I think your was worksheet. Other children, I'm not sure what is his name. I didn't save his number, right? I cannot save all the numbers. So, yeah, someone has sent. Okay, so let us see that question. One second. Where is it? What is the question? If OP is parallel to RS and angle OPQ. Guys, can you see the screen?
Yeah, sir.
So look at this. Look at this. The question. The figure is this one. The question is basically he has given the question like this. OP is parallel to RS and OPQ is equal to 110 degrees and angle QRS is equal to 130 degrees. Then PQR is equal to what? So this is what. Let me draw the diagram. See here OP. Let us say this is OP, which is parallel to this one like this. Let us say this is my O. So OP and this is my R. This is my S. Clear? So now OPQ. Q is here. Let us make Q line here. It was here and it was here. This was my Q. This was my. So here it is. It is 1 second, 1 second. We have to join this. If I extend this, guys, the diagram is like this something. Clear? And look at this. What he has given, let us mark here. OP is parallel to RS. That's what I have drawn. OP is parallel to RS. Clear? So 110 degrees. OPQ is 110. This is 110 degrees given. QRS. This is 130 degrees given. Clear? So let us say this is theta, and let us say this is some angle. Not theta. Let us this. So these are some angle. So we have to find PQR. PQR is what? So look at this. Guys, very good question actually. Here, this is also a line, right? This is also a line. This is also a line. So here, basically, first, but we'll use this. OP is parallel to RS, right? Here, tell me, guys, what is our? Let us give a point here. Let us give some point. Let me give here W, and let us WV. Okay, VW, whatever. Okay, VW, and let us give this up here. P already P we have, so let us give this a V also we have U, and let us give this as T. All right, I'm giving some random names. You can give the name, whatever the name you want. Now OP is parallel to RS given. OP is parallel to R is given. And look at this here, R. What this angle is going to be? Angle RWV. We have to find PQR, right? PQR. We have to find out this angle. We have to find out this angle. So for this, what I'm doing here is, can I write, what is the answer of this? RWV. Tell me what is the answer. What is RWV here? What is this
50
angle?
degrees.
30, sorry?
50 degrees.
Why?
50 degrees.
Why?
Co-interior
Because
angles.
co-interior angles are always
Co-interior angles always
supplementary.
supplementary. So that's what co-interior angles are always supplementary. When two lines are parallel to each other and one transversal line is passing through that, I told you co-interior angles. Interior angles on the same side of a transversal line will be always equal to supplementary. We have learned it, right? So here, can I write now angle? So it is 180 degrees minus 30 degrees, right? So if you are not understanding like that, let us write. So 130 degrees plus that angle RWV is equal to 180 degrees. So RWV is what now? 50 degrees. Any doubts? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt.
Very simple. So now RWV. So here PWQ. So what is this going to be now? So if I write this, array 1 second. What is this going to be? What is this going to be now? This
So
one.
which one?
This one, black angle.
So that is 130 degrees.
130 degrees.
This is I got 50 degrees. This is going to be how much now?
130 degrees.
130 degrees.
Why? Because pair of linear. So what is that? R. So P. That is 130. Now what is this? What is this?
50 degrees.
Of course 50. Vertical opposite. Vertically opposite. So now can I write now this one? I need PQR for making that. I'm just moving a feet towards that. So I need what is PWQ now? PWQ is what now? 50 degrees. Why? Because vertical opposite angles. These two are vertically opposite. Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
P. I got this one. Any doubts here? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Opposite intersecting. Okay. Here, this is a line. This is a line. Here, O. Tell me, guys, what is this? What is this going to be here? Let us say I just consider this as a theta, right? I just consider this as a theta, or you just consider whatever. You just consider this as some x. What is x here? Tell me. I need angle OXQ. What is angle OXQ? What is angle OXQ? I'm asking what is x value? Think. How can you find out?
70 degrees.
How can you find out x value?
Because
linear pair.
OPQ and X are linear pair.
Sorry?
OPQ and X are linear pair.
OPQ and
X is linear pair. So 70 degrees.
So here it is 110 degrees, right? It is 110 degrees. P is 110 degrees. E only given. So now these are linear pair. OPQ and OXQ are linear pair. So it is 110 means that is going to be what? 70 degrees, of course. Since angle OPQ is equal to 110 degrees. Linear pair. Any doubt? Any doubt? Here? Okay. We got this. Now what we have to find? PQR. We need PQR. So we need this one. Now look at this. Now look at this. So now how it is looking like, guys? I need PQR, right? PQR. Now what is the angle? This is looking like triangle, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Can we write now? Angle P plus angle X. What is P here? Angle X plus, or you write angle this Q. Yes, tell me. Angle.
So we can find the one of the other two angles by using the exterior angle property.
Sorry.
We can use the exterior angle property, right? So, like
look at this here. Yeah, you are saying here. What is the W value? 50 degrees. No. I'm just finding. This is 30. This is 130 degrees. If it is 130 means what is this value is going to be? 50. Yes or no? This blue color. Already we got here. P.
Yes, sir.
We got 50. So W, angle W plus, what is angle Q here? We need to find. Is equal to 180 degrees. Yes or no? Guys, are you able to understand? This I need to find out. I know this one. I know this one. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
What is X value? 70 degrees. What is W here? 50 plus Q. Q is what? What is Q now? 60 degrees. Which means angle PQR. So PQR is what? 60 degrees. Angle PQR is equal to 60 degrees. Yes or no? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Very simple, guys. See, we have involved in many steps here. The only thing is, the diagram should have been there, but diagram, we missed. I uploaded the diagram, but not sure after updating the test. I'm not sure what went wrong. It has gone, but yeah, definitely I just
Sir, Harini is in waiting room. It seems she got disconnected. She messaged me. So can you please let her in?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, I'm thankful that this question didn't come out. Definitely wouldn't have been able to do this.
Sorry, Sujay?
Sir, I'm thankful that this one didn't come out. Definitely wouldn't have been
Turn on
able
your
to
cameras
do it.
and talk.
Sir, I have turned it on.
1 second. But I couldn't see. I cannot see you, man. Tell me.
Sir, I'm thankful that this question didn't come because I wouldn't have been able to do it.
Why? You should have, you should have that confidence.
No, sir, I know all the concepts, but I wouldn't have been able to figure it out.
Yeah, you have to figure it out. That's what, that's a very, very beautiful question, actually. But isn't it, guys? It's a good question, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Chalo, guys. Now, actually, I'll be sharing these notes. So please go through the class notes.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
So can we do it in some other way?
Wait. Did I say bye? Who's that? Who is saying that boy? Did I leave the
Sir,
class?
no, sir, but 6:15 is done, so that's fine.
You guys turn on your camera, I said. Did I leave the meeting?
No, sir.
You just tell me your marks one by one. Harini, start with her Shreyan, Vedika.
Sir, which marks?
Previous test marks. Turn on your cameras, everyone. Piyush, Rishikesh, Kavyas, Kaji, Sai Ramachandra. Tell me marks. Toshnika is talking to someone. Toshnika.
Sir.
What's your mark? What was your mark?
From what?
How many marks you got, Ma? How many marks you got in last test?
In this proper written test, sir.
Last started.
So once again, I'll just check.
You check and tell me. So no need. You tell me next class. What about others? Ananya ji?
Sir, actually, I wrote the test for 9B, sir.
Okay.
So I got 50.
Yeah, I got full except
Specify 9A in the question paper heading. It will be easier to check.
Yeah, so I'll keep. No, I'm not sure. I know I wasn't, sure that, I thought it's a common test for, 9A and 9B. I'm not sure, and I wasn't sure about, it is for you alone. So that's why. Okay, I'll keep 9A. I'll mention 9A for next time.
Sir, I couldn't.
Sir, I got 65.
Okay. Yes, Piyush was saying something. Yes, Piyush.
Yeah, I got all questions correct except the diagram one.
Yeah, we removed that, right? We removed that. We excluded that.
Sir, I tried the test, sir, last time because it wasn't available for me. I think I told this to sir.
Okay. Please, you just whenever I'm uploading the test, you try to attempt it immediately so that it would be better for you guys. Okay. So let's retire, guys. Have next class
Okay.
for
Bye,
you.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And guys, one second. Guys, try to
Yes, sir. Yes.
solve your exercise problems and and next class I have given you the worksheet as well, so please try to finish that worksheet as well as and try to solve the questions as well. How many have you done with the worksheet problems?
A few are
Sir, I
left.
am having.
Yeah, see how many questions as possible for you, you can solve that. So if anything not understanding by you guys, so you can ask me in the next class. Clear? Try to solve the questions, so and as well as you try to solve your exercise problems as well. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.